بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
الحمد لله رب العالمين.
All praise is due to Allah, the owner of all the worlds.
الرحمن الرحيم.
The most gracious, the most merciful.
مالك يوم الدين.
The owner of the day of recompense.
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين.
You alone may we worship, and from you alone may we seek help.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
Enable us to walk the straight path,
صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
the path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor, not of those who were subjected to your wrath, nor of the astray ones.
صدق الله العظيم.